Hi everybody, I'm Bob and this is Thailand. Those are banana trees. It's really Thailand. Okay, I want to tell you about how I finally fixed the problem I was having with my DJI Mavic Pro drone. Here we go. From the time I bought my Mavic, for about a year, everything just worked great. I mean, no problems here, no problems there. Everything worked. Then the King of Thailand died, and I think as a means of keeping anybody from getting drone footage of the cremation ceremony, they banned all drones and grounded every one of the 45,000 drones in Thailand. So my drone sat for four months, which was how long it took to get registered at that time. And we were the 158th person registered in Thailand, so we didn't do too badly. Now it's a lot easier and much quicker from what I understand. The police background checks were what took almost 4 months. We got approved in one day. But anyway, after a period of not flying my drone, I took it out, updated all my software and firmware, and went out, and as soon as the drone got about maybe 40 or 50 feet away from the controller, I lost video, and it threw up a little message screen that said, "You're out of range of video transmission." Well, it was still getting video if I was recording to the SD card in my tablet, and it was still recording the video in the drone as well. So although it became hard to frame shots, I started trying to figure out, and I bought a half a dozen data cables before I was convinced it wasn't the cable. I went out to my local DJI dealer, and we flew the drone with his phone, and it worked better. So I started thinking about getting another phone. And in the meantime, I started looking at phones a little more carefully and figured out that my tablet had a 2 gigabyte memory card in it. And at some point, the DJI Go app has grown so much that for my phone, it just wasn't going to run on 2 gigabytes of memory anymore. So after I did some homework, I found out that there were 4 gigabyte and 6 gigabyte phones available pretty reasonably here in Thailand. So I decided to do a test run with one of my friends who had just bought a fairly new Samsung phone. During my research, I found that people with Apple and practically everything, every type of cell phone, were having similar issues. And so I went to my friend and we downloaded the Go app in his 4 gigabyte phone, and everything was wonderful again. I could see where I was flying, and I could let it get further out without losing my ability to frame a shot. So I gritted my teeth, since my old tablet worked well in every other way, but I gritted my teeth and bought a new 6 gigabyte Samsung, and everything works now. So after trying to blame DJI for various problems and blame the software for various problems, it turned out it was myself. Well, it was my tablet, which is only a 2 gigabyte one. So if you're having a similar problem, I politely suggest that you take a look into this and see if adding memory to your phone, if that's possible, or getting one with more memory will solve your problems if you're having this problem. Thanks a lot. Happy flying. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you watching. We got a whole bunch of video and drone photographs from Thailand. And if you have a chance, I think we got 255 videos now. So please browse Razor's Edge Thailand. Thanks a lot.